This is the river Kuvam, Chennai's shame. Once upon a time, very good water used to flow through this river. Commodities, provisions, and vegetables used to be brought from the suburban villages into the city through this river. Today, it is one of the biggest open sewage systems in this city. It carries not only domestic waste, but also industrial waste and sometimes even leather effluents. This makes this water one of the most polluted in the world. We are now going to take some water from this river for our testing. Now we have here about 30 liters of dirty water from the Kuvam. The water is dark in color, very turbid. It is giving out a smell. Now I am going to treat this by the EcoTech process. The first one, we add EcoClean 20, which is a flocculant. It will separate all the dirt in the water. Then after filtration with an ordinary filter, we are going to add EcoClean 50, which is a bactericidal reagent. Now before I start treating this water, I am going to mix it thoroughly. From this, I am taking one beaker full here and keeping it separately so that it will be a future reference. Once this water is cleaned, we can compare it with this. Now we'll start the EcoTech process. As the first step, I'm going to add EcoClean 20, which is a flocculant. It will separate all the dirt in the water. Now for 30 liters, we need roughly 0.9 ml of EcoClean 20. This is a 1 ml pipette. I'm going to add 0.9 ml of EcoClean 20, which is a flocculant. Now after adding this, I'm going to mix it thoroughly. In this process, what happens is all the dirt in the water begins to separate. Now we'll go to the next step of the EcoTech process. I'll be adding EcoClean 50, which will kill all the bacteria. Now the sludge is precipitated. I'm going to filter it using an ordinary tea filter. Now this water has been filtered, all the sludge has been removed. The water is clear. The only problem is that it still has bacteria in it. To remove the bacteria, including the E. coli, we are now going to add EcoClean 50. This is a bactericidal reagent. Now there is only about 15 liters of water in this. So EcoClean 50, we'll be using about 0.7 ml. These are organic chemicals made from herbal extracts, totally harmless to human beings, fish and all mammals and aquatic creatures. But it is very tough on mosquito larvae as well as bacteria. process for sewage treatment is actually a very simple operation. All we require are three large tanks. The first, the collection tank, is where you dose the EcoClean 20. Here, the flocculation takes place. In the next tank, the overflow water in the gravitational process will cause the precipitation of the sludge. The clear water at the top can be pumped through sand and carbon filters into a third tank, which is going to be the final treatment tank, where disinfection is done using EcoClean 50. Now the water is totally clear, clean, and bacteria free and fit for drinking. The sludge can be pumped out using a sludge pump, and it can be dried and used as a nitrogenous fertilizer. The advantages of the Ecotech process are many. Sewage water becomes drinking grade by means of herbal reagents which are absolutely safe and non-toxic. It is not power intensive. There is no need for aeration, no blowers, no complex network of pipes and tubes. It does not require expensive UV or RO treatment, and the whole process is practically maintenance free. To switch over to the Ecotech process, you can mail me on ecohealthppl@gmail.com.